has the mainstream gaming industry destroyed their trust with their customers so that when they try to bring in these new models, that is going to be seen as yet another way to nickel and dime them? What are your thoughts on that, Paul?
Yeah, I think what you look at in this kind of scenario before, you've seen it happen in different kinds of industries, especially when you look at just the size and scope of some of these companies. And it is concern, but back to Stash's point, is that when I'm talking about the adoption, it's going to take a multi-tiered adoption for us to be able to really see growth. Obviously, we'll see adoption coming in from the bleeding edge and leading edge of traditional gamers that will jump into blockchain. They'll start to come over. At the same time, you're still going to need the crypto investors that understand what a digital asset is, understands what NFTs are, and they're game curious. And that's where probably your biggest opportunity is. I know there's 3 billion gamers worldwide if you look at some of the metrics out there. But overall, I think to answer your question, Andrew, is that when you look back into just the historic nature of how Microsoft built what they're doing with Xbox, what we've seen with the Sony and the PlayStation, the evolution of those games, again, will be I'm still a little bit skeptical as to whether or not major studios will come over full-fledged obviously into blockchain. I don't think they will, but I do believe there will be some testing of the waters, and it still may take some time. It's really going to be upon the smaller studios and the blockchain studios that really kind of crack the code on this. But you're right, the big challenge that we are going to face is going to be, I think, twofold. One, of course, is the adoption rate from mainstream. That's going to come over from just the tech array that it takes to build a blockchain game of equal quality to what we're seeing to a certain extent in AAA.